Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miriam, and if you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you the stuffs, the makeup products I got at the last makeup fair that took place at Oregon, Lagos. Yeah, I couldn't go actually, so I had to send a friend who helped me to get the stuffs I wanted to get, but she couldn't carry everything, so I ordered some things too online. So I'll be showing you everything and some of my birthday presents too, guys. I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So she got some products from the girls corner, as you can see, guys. I ordered some things from there, so she got them for me. Yeah, I ordered two the girls corner, beauty blender. Yeah, I got two of those. So I got the Kiss Beauty mascara. I love this mascara. Like, see, it's actually what I used here. So I have some that I'm using presently, but that one will soon finish, so I had to order another one before it finished. So what else? Okay, I got the classic if you've watched the videos I've uploaded before, you know that I don't joke with classic lipsticks. Like, their lip is bomb. I got two of the gloss, the clear gloss, and one classic lip oriental pink. Yes, I got one of that too. So this colored eyeliners, yeah, I got colored eyeliner. This is Million Pauline eyeliner. I've never tried this before though. The one I tried before is Usher's. So let's see. I guess this should be, let's see what's inside. Whoa. Let me try it on mine. Wow, it's not bad, guys. So I got the shade, I got color yellow, pink, and white. So those are the colors I got. And the last but not the least here is the Candy Beauty line pigment and what is it called, and their glitters. So I got, for the pigments, I got Dazu and Avril, and for the glitter I got Arewa. This is just, I can't wait to test these products, guys. Actually, I've tried some of them. So she got me some of the Missmetics product, like the newest products in town. So this is the Missmetics Aqua Grip. I tried this on my face today, like I tested them today, and so far it's been, trust me. So the Aqua Grape, this one is the matte finish. You know I have a very oily skin, and I don't know, most of my clients too, they are mostly, don't let me say always, they are mostly the ones that have oily skin. So, and one more thing I love about this product is just the packaging. It's everything. Let me show you guys. Like, it's just like when I was trying it, it's like a toy. I was just so excited. So this is it, guys. This is it. See, so to open, just see the magic. Just watch me see that. Like, guys, can't you see it's just everything for me. Like, so on to the next, and the power seal. This one too is just like a sweat block. It won't avoid sweat, it's not possible, you know, sweat is natural, so we have to. So it will not avoid sweat, it will just, even if you are sweating, your makeup will still be intact, like everything will be perfect as it is for us. So that's what this power seal will be doing. I actually tried these two products with this makeup I did. So guys, on to the next are the products I got online from Nanawa Beauty Store. She's actually doing sales, so she sent the package to me. I got them last week, okay, this week actually, this week. So I got the LED lights, Pro LED 600 ring lights. That's what I'm using presently, guys. You see that the lighting is, if you notice, I don't know if you guys notice, but the lighting is a little bit different from what it used to be, guys. So that's what I'm using presently. So this is it, and this is the tripod container. Yes, so I got my ring light. I don't know, the phone holder broke, so I had to order for another one. So this is the one I ordered for. Like, I just had to take the opportunity to, this sales time, I just had to take the opportunity to get everything I want to get. You guys know now, who doesn't like percentage, like 50% off, 30% off? Who doesn't like freebies? Nobody. So I got the Bluetooth shutter too. Yeah, and a freebie. Yeah. So Nanawa gave me a gift, and my other, this is it. It's a bag, small makeup bag. So this is it. Nanawa Beauty Store. That's my plug right there, guys. That's my plug, like the surest. So thank you, Nanawa, for the gift. God bless you. So guys, I have a gist for you guys. Like, I ordered this palazzo. I ordered it August, this month, August, before going to NYSC camp. And guess when I got it? I got it December. You can imagine, like, these online vendors, although she already apologized, but I still have to tell you guys about this. So let's see the palazzos. I think I'm going to actually, am I going to cut this? It got to a point I got tired of asking. Like, I had to ask her that, haven't I tried enough since August? Even my boyfriend said, just forget about this thing. I said, forget about what? No, it's not right. This is my money, like my hard-earned money, so I can't just forget about it. So last month I received a call and she asked for my details, like the location I want the palazzo to be brought to be delivered to. So this is it. This is my palazzo, guys. I ordered two. Isn't it beautiful? Anyways, thank you. And this is the second one, guys. I can't wait to rock them. You get what I mean? You get what I mean? Yeah, guys. So that's that. I finally received my order. Thank you. So it's my birthday presents. Actually, some of them I couldn't bring everything. I left some at home. You know, I'm at home now. I traveled back for holiday, so I left some of them. Zira Official gave me this, like a crochet bag. Like, I've been eyeing this bag. If you watched my previous vlog, she rocked a bag like this in that video. Like, I've been eyeing it. I was even thinking of ordering one for myself. So she gave me this, guys. She gave me this. Thanks so much, babe. I really love it. Like, it's just so subtle. Like, see, it actually goes with what I'm wearing. I think I can just rock this today. Like, yes. So it actually came with a note, but I can't find it. But I did a video of what she wrote in the note, so I'll just attach it here. So Zira Officials, thank you so much. God bless you, and more customers by God's grace. So Adenike, yeah, this is my bestie's girlfriend. She gifted me this. Guys, please patronize her. She sells nice nightwears, like very amazing nightwear. They're really beautiful. Like, so she gifted me this, guys. See, aww, this is it, guys. And this is the trouser. It's actually up and down. It's up and down. So this is it. Yay, it's beautiful, right, guys? I know. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much, Nike. God bless you. Thank you. So I think we've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and if you like to see a lot more videos like this, I got you guys 100. Yeah, guys. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me, and look forward to more interesting videos. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.